Welcome back, everybody. Today I have a small project that I like to share with you guys. You guys might wonder, how do you keep your hot rod from rusting to pieces? Here's a tip to keep your hot rod looking like it's not on Craigslist. That's right, Mountain Dew. Just kidding, boiled linseed oil. So I'm sure there's a few ways you can keep your hot rod protected, but I don't want to clear coat it because if it chips off, it's going to get all hazy and look all crazy. Hey, that rhymed. That's about it. Either clear coat or the linseed oil. The linseed oil, I've did a little research on it, and you can apply it. It lasts, between 2-3 months, depending if you keep it inside, outside. This thing sits outside, and since I've gotten back, you can definitely see it's like flash rusted, bright rust, brand new. We did wash it, so it's ready to apply some oil, and we're just going to do a little experiment and see how long it actually lasts outside in the Florida elements. We're right next to the river, so I'm sure everything's like super salty. So let's get started. I have an old rag, some gloves, and the linseed oil and caffeine. So usually you dump it into a cup and then just take your rag, dip it in it, and apply. I couldn't find a cup, so I'm just going to put some on the rag and spread it out and see what happens. Yeah. Oh, you nasty. Probably should have put on the gloves first, but hey, this is a learning experience, isn't it? This is actually my first time trying this, so it's either going to work really well or we're gonna mess the whole thing up. So I feel like a doctor. Whoa! Oh my god, dude. I guess we're starting right here. Definitely glad I put on the gloves. It actually spreads out pretty nice. Hey, look at that. It brings out some of the different rust colors. That's pretty cool. I'm going to try to get it a little bit thin because I don't want it crazy shiny. I really like the dull look of this thing. So far, I'm thinking that's pretty good. That's a pretty low gloss. Like I said, I don't want it too shiny because I don't want it like looks like it's made that way. But let's spread some more out and see what happens. I'm just going to kind of let this soak in a little bit this way. Use my front bumper step so I can get up there. And let's spread some. Oh my gosh, that was a lot more than I expected. Hey, look. Aww. That rock's gone forever. You would think for a 1950s hood this would be much more sturdy. I'm kind of liking it. Have you ever put 2 gaskets on an oil filter and started up the car and made a huge mess? Basically just dumping a couple quarts of oil on the ground. Well, if you ever cleaned up that mess, that's what this feels like. Works pretty good. Applying a little bit more here on the front just to see how it looks. It's a little shinier. Kind of don't mind it either way, to be honest with you. That really brings out the colors. I like it. Helpful tip: if you drop the little jug of linseed oil, it speeds up the process really fast. Not gonna lie. Had it running down the fender. I'm like, ah, yeah. Anyways, I got half the truck done in about 2 minutes. Now that I did the side, now I should do the top. So I'm gonna get it all over me. That's pretty neat. She turned out pretty good. I need to go get a ladder so I can finish up the roof, and then the bed should be pretty easy. I was gonna like the shiny on this, but you know what? I do. Looks okay. I was also a little bit worried about how the patina would come out on the fenders because that's actually fake patina compared to the rest of the truck, but it doesn't look too bad. Also, my first time trying to do fake patina, so I'd call that a win. Well, this isn't a permanent solution, but if it keeps it good for a few months, I'm pretty happy with it. No wind until I turn the camera on. None. Anyways, I'm gonna call this project good enough. I like it. This is great. And there's a couple of spots I might touch up, but this should be good. Keep it from rusting out. Well, I plan to do an update video and keep you guys informed on how long this actually lasts outside. This thing's probably not going to be inside for its whole life, like, you know, nice stuff. It's basically just a work truck, so it's going to get treated like a work truck. If anybody's sad about that, you probably should have seen it in the beginning when it was sitting in a field rotting to death. I still feel like I saved it. Now it's time to put it to work. If you guys would like to buy the oil, I'll leave a link in the description for you, and you can also buy it at Home Depot. That's where I got it. Buy it online. We'll make money. Yay!
Only from Amazon.
Only from Amazon. Do it. Do it now.
But
go buy it.
yeah, you guys get it wherever's cheapest. I mean, let's be honest.
Yeah, I paid too much for it. I think I paid $12.
That's not that bad.
Oh. Okay. If there's any other videos you guys want to see, just let me know. That's all for this video. Hope you all have a great day, and do your own projects. Don't just watch me. It's probably boring. Yeah. Enjoy your day.